overlooking, seeing province of Cebu also, and sea view. It's claim title, containing area of 2,245 square meter. It's almost found along the cemented barangay road. Second lot for sale here from the sea.
Barangay Road, first lot.
Or first lot from barangay road. Second lot from the sea. This is the area containing 2,245 square meter along the cemented road, and also the cemented road going to the sea. So no problem about if you want to go to the sea because of the cemented road. And the price of this is 1,500 pesos per square meter. Yes, second lot. So you can hear the sea facing province of Cebu and Sound Island. Frontage of cemented road, I think more or less 30 meters. 30 meters frontage. Spa road, and then this is going to the sea. The sea down over there. So no problem about if you go down to the sea. Again, this lot for sale here is located in Loon, Bohol, Philippines. Again, the price of this is 1,500 pesos per square meter for the area of 2,245 square meter. Yes, the sea. It's very nice. Very nice view, breeze here. If you want to swim the ocean, you can do it anytime. See me white sand. Very nice view, very nice location. If you want to buy this property here, again, even the sick, but very nice location and very accessible road, concrete, cemented road going to the provincial road here in Loon, Bohol, Philippines. Okay, that's all for now. If you like, interested to buy this, just call my cell number 0928-269-5367 and my email address gmail.com. Again, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more incoming videos. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye for now. Have a nice day, guys.